So guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, come to gigabyte.com. This is official website, gigabyte.com. Okay, then you can see here the win search key. So click and then type your model number of motherboard X670E AORUS XTREME and then hit enter. Then click to product. And click to this model number of name. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is you using. So first, this is audio driver, and if you need two different DTS, so you can that. Okay, so audio driver I already installed 165 size 165. After you click here the download. After downloaded, just single click to open, and this is exe in extracted. Double click, it will ready to install. And then yes, now this is installing. Then guys, click to yes for the administrator rights to install. Now this is installing the audio driver. It will close means it is installed. And then close it.